Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to buy with the debit card on eBay. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically for this video we are going just to learn from these both customer service article of eBay. And from here we are going to learn about first some accepted payments methods on eBay first. And basically when you create a listing, eBay will add these payments method automatically. And one of these payments method is credit card, debit card, Apple Pay or Google Pay, etc. And what we are interested in is paying with the debit card. That means it is already accepted as a payment method. Now all it remains is just to start paying with a debit card. So simply you will need just to select your credit card or debit card on the checkout page. So first we need to go to the checkout page. And to do so, you will need just to go to your product. So for example, whatever you want to buy, let's go for this one. And from here, we have this product here. I'm just going to click on buy it now so we can go to the checkout page. So from here, we will find, uh, let's just go back to any other product that would be shipping. And here I'm just going to click on buy it now. And from here, we will find some any payments methods, and basically we can go for anything. And let's just go to this product for example, and I'm just going to click on this one, and I'm just going to click on buy it now. And normally here we will find like add a new card, and depends on your card, is it either it is a debit card or a credit card. You will need just to add your card number and all your informations, and from there you will need just to click on confirm and pay, and basically that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.